How to fix if Amazon App Store failed to install in Windows 10 and Windows 11? If such type of message is visible, this app will not work on your device. Amazon App Store will not work on your device. Then what can we do? And the first and one workaround is go to Windows settings, go to time and language and region, and change your region to US. Under country or region, choose the region United States, and thereafter again go to Microsoft Store, open launch Microsoft Store, and here look for Amazon App Store or Windows subsystem for Androids. You can tap any one of them and open WSA installer, APK installer. Open it, and here you will find, please download Amazon App Store from the Microsoft Store. Install WSA, and Amazon App Store will open. Here click on install, and let the window complete the downloading and installation process. Click on get your PC ready for the Amazon App Store. Click on download. It will take some times. That's all.